So today we're putting these retrofit lights in, taking these old fixtures out and put the retrofit lights. They look like that with a junction box there. So we're putting those in. They have some retrofit lights that you leave the old housing and screw to it, but apparently they didn't get them here. So we'll have to remove every one of those lights and put them in. So when I get started, I'll get a couple out, show you what needs to be done. This one. So I'm going to put these whips in, and right now there's buttons here that I have to make settings for 4K and put low wattage. And I just hook these whips to there. There's a connector right here. And now that's the finished product of the 4. Now we have to do those. Shout out to the other guy here. Okay, so now we got all the lights in this room, this room, that room, and then next time when we come back, we're going to get these fluorescent 8-footers down, put 8-footer or 4-footer LED lights up there. That's why the lift is there. And those are the old ones that we took down. This one was in the box and it was broken.